currently we are crossing Mysore Palace. Yes, madam, I have.
Nilagiri entry pass.
Yes. Now, this is the property where I'm staying, and I have to show you the view. How is the view from here? So it is just in front of the Ooty Lake. So this is the Ooty Lake. Here I have used Rajmarg Yatra app already, and I know कि here Rajmarg Yatra app works. हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल खामखा व्लॉगर। सो जैसा आप लोग थंबनेल देख के पता लग गया होगा आज हम कहाँ जाने वाले रोड ट्रिप पे। तो रोड ट्रिप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग, बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होने वाली है, क्योंकि आज हम जा रहे हैं बैंगलोर से लेके ऊटी तक, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रेवल वाया घाट सेक्शन, वाया हेयरपिन बेंड्स, वाया बांदीपुर, and yes, we are going to experience one of the best road trips from Bangalore. So we are starting from Bangalore and then we are reaching Ooty. So what time I'm starting at Bangalore, what are the toll charges, what like how is the road condition, and also we are going to check कि ई पास की ज़रूरत है या नहीं है तमिलनाडु में एंटर करने के लिए। बाकी प्लास्टिक इज़ बैन, तो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन डिटेल कि चेकिंग वगैरह, हाउ इज़ द चेकिंग, प्लास्टिक दे विल चेक और नॉट। आई हैव फ्यू स्नैक्स. Obviously snacks will be like packed in plastic. I'm going to show you in detail in this vlog. So to start this vlog, let's go back to Bangalore. Let's start this vlog fully. And yes, one more thing is I am driving automatic car today. So how is my car performance on the ghat section, on the steep 36 hairpin bends? That also I'm going to show you in detail in this vlog. So very good morning from Bangalore. अभी हम वी आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम बैंगलोर एंड राइट नाउ इट्स अप्रॉक्स 5:30. आई नो वी आर लेट, बट अब क्या कर सकते हैं, अब लेट तो हो ही चुका है. बाकी ऑन गूगल मैप्स नाउ आई हैव पुट ऊटी. अभी क्योंकि बंदीपुर शायद खुल गया होगा इसलिए ये रास्ता दिखा रहा है, नहीं तो ये वाया ये रास्ता दिखा रहा था, सेलम कोयम्बटूर होके ऐसे ऊटी पहुंचने का रास्ता दिखा रहा था. तो नाउ इफ आई एम स्टार्टिंग द मैप नाउ इट सेज 5 hours 36 minutes एंड देन अराइवल टाइम इज 11:01 AM. So as you can see, this is Hebbal, and now we are heading towards Gorgunte Palya. It's 5:33 and we are crossing Hebbal. So guys, we are crossing the first toll. Because if you are coming to from Hebbal and if you are going towards Mysore, the Mysore or Mysore, you have to cross this toll. And here the toll charges are 50 rupees, right? So finally at 5:53, I am now entering Nice Road. Right now it's 6:15 AM and then we have now headed on the Mysore Expressway. Straight you can see welcome to Bengaluru-Mysuru Highway. Finally we are at the Mysore Expressway at 6:15 AM. And if you want to take fuel, तो एक नायरा का this one petrol pump just before the this Mysore Expressway starts. So I'll suggest कि नायरा से also you can take fuel if you have somewhere forgotten, and then if you want to head in the Mysore Expressway, it will be safer if you take fuel already. At the Naira before you head on the Mysore Expressway. Abhi let's see, it's 6:15 and how much time it takes for us to reach Mysuru, and then from Mysuru the journey is going to be very much interesting. So finally we have approached this toll plaza of Mysore Expressway, and here I have used Rajmarg Yatra app already, and I know कि here Rajmarg Yatra app works. Yeah, valid tag works here, and then 175 rupees is the toll charge here. See the board here, railway station Mysore. So in Mysore you will get A to B also, and we look for some other option. I am trying to I should cross Mysore and then to have breakfast. So Mysore is now 48 kilometers from now, from this point, and time I'll show you. Time is currently 6:59 and this is Hotel Amravati. We are crossing Hotel Amravati in Mandya. almost reached Mysore, and now this is the toll exit, I think, from Mysore Expressway. Let's see here how much is the toll charges. Okay, we are approaching it. Although it will be free for us because I have already opted for Rajmarg Yatra app. But let's see, I'll show you कि यहाँ पे भी कितना आपको toll fees है. So here it is 170. Okay, and still you can see time is 10:50 and 3 hours 34 minutes more it is saying. Right now time is 7:16 a.m. and 144 kilometer more it is showing to my stay in Ooty, which is near the Ooty lake. So देखते हैं by what time we reach, because I think half an hour we'll take in breakfast, and then by what time we'll start it, then this time will change accordingly. We are in Mysore, and here from it is showing left from here, but I don't know, Google Maps is taking us from city. I don't know what is this, but let's see. We are following Google Maps only. I'm not going to deviate whatever Google Map is saying. I'm going to trust this. And if it rerouted it. I don't know why it rerouted here. Check it please. Okay, it is taking from outer. Okay, but even if we cross the city, it will take us to this road only. It is like a bypass. So currently we are crossing Mysore Palace. So अगर हम बाईपास ले लेते तो मैसूर जो सिटी का व्यू है ना वो हमें नहीं मिल पाता. एंड मैसूर इज़ रियली अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सिटी आई कैन से. और सुबह मॉर्निंग व्यू, सिटी का ट्रैफिक इज़ वेरी लाइट. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू गेट inside the city and then cross the city towards Ooty, it is also fine. If you want to skip, that is also fine. So but yeah, from here Ooty, Calicut, Bandipur, Gundlupet, everything is there, and now we are heading towards Ooty. So मेरे पीछे वो है Mysore Palace. Crossing Mysore city, no, very kind of under construction road. You will see here bridge is getting constructed, so road condition is not good. And the city, if you get inside city, obviously you have to be patient, and then add plus 10 minutes if you are crossing city. This is Kollegal Toll Plaza, and I think this should be the last toll plaza, or let's see इसके आगे कोई toll plaza आता है कि नहीं. बाकी यहाँ तक I'll just add, I'll sum up and I'll tell you in the last. But yeah, till now how much toll I'm paying, that I'll show. But yeah, since I'm on Rajmarg Yatra app, so I don't have to pay anything. Currently time is 8:15 and we are stopping at this Amravati for our breakfast stop. So you can see this Amravati, which is after Mysore. We'll park our car and we'll have a breakfast here. खाने के टेस्ट की बात की जाए तो खाने का टेस्ट यहाँ पे बहुत मुझे एवरेज सा लगा. और बाकी कॉस्ट वगैरह तो ठीक है, कॉस्ट वगैरह इज़ नॉट टू मच एक्सपेंसिव. ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ okay with the cost. So guys, now we are leaving from this Amravati after having our breakfast. We reached at 8:15 and we are leaving at 9. 45 minutes के लिए हम यहाँ पे रुके, ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह किया. एक्सपीरियंस एवरेज ही था, कोई ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं था. बट ये है कि लोकेशन वाइज इट इज़ गुड, मतलब टाइमिंग वाइज ऑल्सो इट वॉज गुड फॉर मी, इट वॉज सूटेबल फॉर मी, क्योंकि 8:15 8:30 ही ब्रेकफास्ट मैं करता हूँ, तो इसलिए इट वॉज अ गुड टाइम. नाउ let us see how many kilometers more we have to drive to and what time we reach. 9 we are starting from here, from Amravati, which is approx 40 kilometers away from Mysuru, and let's see by what time we are reaching at our stay in Ooty. So now you can see the arrival time is now changed to 11:41. Time it is showing as 2 hours 39 minutes. Kilometer is 89. So this 89 kilometers is going to be the most amazing part of this journey now. So finally we are crossing Gundlupet. We have crossed, I can say, and its time is 9:48. I stopped for 10-15 minutes because there was some issue in my FASTag. और कहीं भी देना है या लास्ट टाइम एक ही टाइम? ओके, थैंक यू सर। सो यहाँ पे एज यू जस्ट सॉ कि 20 रुपीज़ का चार्ज हमें दिया और ये बंदीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व। नाउ वी आर एंटरिंग, सो इट्स 10 एंड देन 10 अप्रॉक्स 10 exactly we have entered exactly at 10:01 we have entered in the Bandipur Tiger Reserve and you have to pay 20 rupees। अगर आपका फास्टैग है, अगर आपके पास फास्टैग है तो फास्टैग से they'll deduct if your fastag is not working, like today my fastag is not working, so I paid in cash, so 20 rupees for entrance into Bandipur। And now we have to travel 17 kilometers more। We are currently at the Gullupet highway and then after 16 kilometer we will be heading towards Ooty। सो भाई काफ़ी सारे ब्रेकर्स वगैरह भी हमें देखने को मिल रहे हैं, स्पीड ब्रेकर्स वगैरह भी है यहाँ पे, तो कुछ ऐसा है। बाकी स्पीड काफ़ी स्लो है यहाँ पे, रोड काफ़ी पतली सी, काफ़ी नैरो रोड है आपको बंदीपुर टाइगर रिजर्व में। और ये है कि उधर से बसेस भी आ रही हैं, कार्स भी आ रही है, तो प्लीज़ मैं तो यही सजेस्ट करूँगा कि स्पीड शुड बी स्लो एंड आवर स्पीड इज़ slow here। There are speed breakers also and till now road condition is good, nowhere I have seen ki roads matlab potholes and all is there, but thing is once you enter Bandipur Reserve road will become narrow as you can see also, and there are so many speed breakers also as you can see। So this is the overall road condition also। Now I think we are leaving Karnataka and yes we have entered at 10:20 AM। We are now entering Tamil Nadu and yes there is a checking ahead of us। Tamil Nadu limit starts now। We are in Tamil Nadu and there is checking also and we already have collected our e-pass online, so there will be no issues। Madumalai Tiger Reserves welcome you। So we are entering the Madumalai Tiger Reserve and now let's see what all is there। Why they are not there? Why they didn't stop us? I don't know why, but we were not stopped by the police। Here you saw like 3-4 vehicles were stopped, but the policeman didn't ask us to stop। I don't know why, maybe they saw families and all, that's why they assume they will carry plastic and all, maybe that is the reason। And there are so many monkeys here। So currently we are entering Nilgiris and seeing our number plate from KA, we have been stopped। I think e-pass is going to be checked here। I have e-pass already, so I have no tension, else you can get offline also। You can see list of, you can see there is a bunch of vehicles here standing, so they are all for e-pass here। So basically you can also apply for e-pass, but TN vehicles they are not asking for e-pass, only for other state vehicles they are asking for e-pass। That is the thing here। And in the left side also you can see all KL, all Bharat series registration, KA number registration, KL and KA number registration I can see on the left side। They are standing there just because they wanted to check their e-pass। So now I am also going to show my e-pass if they ask।
E-pass irka?
Yes madam, I have।
Nilagiri entry pass?
Yes, show you। I already have e-pass। Yes madam, please।
Okay, you can go।
Okay, so we have e-pass ready, then we are letting go। e-pass नहीं होगा तो पैसा दे के e-pass करना।
Fast free da।
Okay,
இது அப்ளை பண்ணணுமா?
done। So saying pass free, and so they are saying pass free. They checked for the e-pass. When I said I have e-pass already, they said let go. And when I asked if I don't have e-pass, do I need to pay? Then they said it's free. But I don't know, that scanner, that one guy was standing there with scanner asking for money, but he didn't stop me. I just passed from there. So better, e-pass is absolutely free. So better you take your e-pass online. For that you need hotel booking. Even if you have WhatsApp confirmation, then e-pass will get generated, right? So my suggestion is get e-pass online. It will be free. And now from here Ooty is 29 kilometers. So Ooty is more 25 kilometers away, and it's 11:02 a.m. and arrival time is 12:03. You can see here arrival time is 12:03, 1 hour 1 minute more, and still we have not approached the hairpin bends. Here there is toilet also, there is public paid toilet also, and this is approx 10 minutes away from the e-pass place where they check for the e-pass. And one most important detail about e-pass is you have to get e-pass for Nilgiris. Please remember, for Nilgiris, if you are visiting Kodaikanal, it is different, right? So if you have Nilgiris e-pass, then you are safe and you don't have to pay anything, or you don't have to get e-pass at the center. But whenever you are coming, make sure, even it is mandatory or non-mandatory, please make sure you have e-pass, because currently it's November and they checked for e-pass from me, right? So that is why it is very important for you to have e-pass when you are coming to Ooty. So finally at 11:15 a.m. we started climbing towards Ooty on the hairpin bends, and this is the time where hairpin bends started. There are total 36 hairpin bends, and one by one we'll be crossing over these to reach to Ooty. अगर डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल की बात करो अभी तक, तो मेरी गाड़ी ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी है. मेरी गाड़ी स्ट्रगल बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रही थी इन हेयरपिन बेंच पे ऊपर स्टीप पे चढ़ने के लिए, और परफॉर्मेंस गाड़ी का अच्छा था. और बाकी हेयरपिन बेंच भी, यहाँ पे रोड्स काफ़ी चौड़ी है, तो आपको ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली है आपको इस हेयरपिन बेंच पे ड्राइव करने के लिए. तो आपको ऐसे डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. हाँ, बाकी डिटेल में एक बार आप खुद से देख लीजिए. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शो यू हाउ it is, how the difficulty level is, or how exactly the hairpin bends are, so that you also get an idea once you're driving from Bangalore to Ooty or Mysore to Ooty through hairpin bends. And even it was raining, it rained in the morning, and it was drizzling when I was driving through the hairpin bends. So you can see the condition, and now I let you see how exactly the hairpin bends are and let you decide on the difficulty level of this. So finally, after driving approx half an hour to 40 minutes through the Ghat section, or I can say through the 36 hairpin bends, we are finally in Ooty now. And overall the difficulty level was okay, and I was able to drive successfully along with my car, who didn't struggle much, being automatic engine also. It worked fine absolutely on the 36 hairpin bends. And now finally here we are in the Ooty. So guys, finally we are at the hotel, we are at the property where we are staying. और total travel time की बात की जाए तो it took approx 7 and 7.5 hours. Regarding hairpin bends, the hairpin bends is not that tough that you have to worry that you will be able to drive or you will not be able to drive. It is okay to drive without much worrying. You can easily come and easily drive on this. Not easily, but yeah, you can drive safely on the Ghat section of the 36 hairpin bends. Now this is the property where I am staying, and I have to show you the view. How is the view from here? So it is just in front of the Ooty Lake. So this is the Ooty Lake. और सामने से ना that direction Ooty toy train will cross, and if it crosses you can also see that view. So this is the boat house, and we are just staying in front of this Ooty boat house. So the view from this hotel is very good, and name of this hotel is Ooty Lakefront View Home Hotel. This is the name, and this is how it looks. इनका वहाँ पे कार पार्किंग वगैरह भी है, and here you can see the whole view of Ooty. It's very beautiful. और vlog यहाँ पे ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. I'm going to also show you what all I'm going to cover in this vlog today. What all places I'm going to visit. So that all things I'm going to share in this vlog. So stay connected. अभी कुछ और चीज़ें बची हुई है. Guys, finally it's 2:30 in the afternoon, और we are going for the sightseeing for day 1. As I told you कि vlog अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ. There is much more to go. So first thing I'm going to visit is Ooty Lake, which is just in front of our stay. That is why I have choose this stay, ताकि ऊटी का जो ये लेक है ना हम कवर कर पाए और पार्किंग वगैरह की कोई दिक्कत ना हो. इसके बाद विल टेक आवर व्हीकल टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. देखते हैं कि व्हाट ऑल वी कैन कवर टिल 6. ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. वी हैव 2-3 hours only, and we have to cover 2-3 places. Let's see how much we can cover for the day, and let's see how we end the day. So finally अभी हम बोट हाउस पे आ चुके हैं, and now we are going to do boating if the queue is not too long, and I'll show you my hotel view also where I'm staying. So so this is my hotel Lake Front Home Hotels and Home. This is there only I was standing, and now we have come here to enjoy the boating. So boating के लिए यहाँ पे we have took tickets. 25 rupees is the entry ticket, और we'll go inside and then we'll see कि बोटिंग का कितने का टिकट है. दैट सो बोटिंग के लिए लाइक दिस यू विल गेट अ टिकट, एंड ऑन द टिकट वंस यू गेट द टिकट you will also get the number which is your boarding point. Similarly you can see 8, 7, 6, so many numbers are written. So our allotted number is 9. So now we are going to take now a pedal boat. So I have opted for 2-seater boat, and I have to pay 375 rupees. Timing and all is not written here. I don't think there is some time restriction or something. And to enter it's 25 rupees. To enter to this boat lake it's 25 rupees. So after spending good amount of time at Ooty Lake, approx 1 hour, we will now go to some other places to visit, and this is the shortcut I have taken. So lake is just behind us, and then there was not rush also, very less rush, because everything is systematic in the Ooty Lake. So now let's see, it's approx 4 which place we can cover. We'll do that, and then we'll end up day 1. So time I'll show you. Time is 4:34, and second place for the day is Ooty Botanical Garden, and entry fees here is 100 rupees per person. Now we'll take entry and then we'll see how is it from inside. Second place we have come here for the day is this Ooty Botanical Garden. यहाँ पे पहले भी मैं आ चुका हूँ, but it was not a vlog purpose. So 4:30 time is there, and I don't think इसके बाद मैं day 1 में कुछ भी विजिट कर पाऊँगा. बाकी day 2 बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होने वाला है, क्योंकि day 2 में हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल यानी कि टॉय ट्रेन की जर्नी करने वाले हैं. हम जाने वाले टॉय ट्रेन से कुनूर का डे टूर करके हम वापस आएंगे ऊटी. तो डे 2 भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. कि डे 1 में यू सॉ कि हम बैंगलोर से आए, वी वेंट टू ऊटी लेक, देन वी केम टू ऊटी बोटानिकल गार्डन, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फिनिश आवर डे 1. एंड दिस इज 3 episode 3 day tour to Ooty. I hope you watch each and every episode, and that's all from this vlog. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and you will be coming back to watch the day 2 vlog as well. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाइएगा. मिलेंगे एक और नई वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ एंड टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर फैमिली.